Okay, so look at the pattern below. It says 1, 3, 5, and 7. Which number sentence can be used to determine the nth number in the pattern? All right, so I'm going to go over here. So we have these four numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, and each of them is a number of a sequence. So n represents the number in the sequence. So like n is 1, and then the answer is 1. When n is 2, so the second term in the sequence, the answer is 3. When n is 3, meaning the third number, 1, 2, 3, the third number in the sequence is 5. The fourth number in the sequence, the number is 7. Okay, so here's our pattern, 1, 3, 5, 7. It's always nice to figure out, okay, what's happening from each number. Well, we're adding 2 every time. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. But we want to come up with an expression to find the nth term. Well, the key here is this, all these 2's. So when you get a common number that you're adding, we go ahead and write 2n. Okay, so whatever the common difference is, think of when we learned how to do rate of change. Okay, and the rate of change is when we did those t-tables. Okay, and this number right here is our rate of change. So how is it changing? It's changing by adding 2. So therefore, the rate of change is 2 times n. Now you think, well, we're adding 2. Why are we multiplying now? All right. Well, let's check it out and make sure this works. So let's plug 1 in. Now notice I'm pointing at this one, not this one. 1 represents what term it is. So the first term, let's plug it in. 2 times 1 is 2. But as you can see here, I need a 1. So now is where you need to make the expression work. So we're going to subtract 1. So now let's check it again. 2 times 1 is 2, minus 1 is 1. Now let's check the next one. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 1 is 3. You can check again. 2 times 3 is 6, minus 1 is 5. So do you see how we've made the expression work? 2n minus 1 is the expression we're looking for. So when we come back over here, this one, choice D, it says 2 times n minus 1. That's going to be my best answer. So choice D is the one. 2 times n minus 1, that's the same thing we have. 2 times n minus 1. Another way you can do this is just simply plug in 1. So 1 times 1 is 1, plus 1 is 2, but the first term is not 2. So obviously that can't work. Here we go, 2 plus 1 is 3, minus 2 is 1. So possibly B could work. Let's plug in 2. Now remember, I'm not plugging in 3, I'm plugging in this invisible number 2 here. 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 2 is 2. So I needed a 3. So that one did not work. Plug in 1. 1 times 1 is 1, so that works. 1 times 2 is 2, so that does not work because I needed a 3. So therefore D is the only one that actually works.